So what is water stewardship? What does that mean to you?
Well, like I say, you say what we put in the water, what we take out of the water, and as far as the states goes, if they're going to put things into the water that's going to harm the water, and we're trying to take it out, it's almost like a losing cause. So we have to get together with the states, that's for sure, and both governments, and that's who's running the show, isn't it? The governments, and I don't think they want to cut costs. What do? They go to the lakes and cut the costs, but I think it should look the other way and improve on that rather than take it away. So there's a lot of takeaways, I think. But I think the water right now is better than it was in a lot of years. I know, I would say 10 years ago, with the zebra mussels when they came in, and I don't hear too much about the zebra mussels now. I used to go fishing at Bay of Quinte. Now that's a part of Lake Ontario. Yeah, and I used to catch a limit over there in an hour. And now I go there and fish 2 days, and I got my limit. Why? Whatever happened to the fish? You know, did the fish, did they dying off? Some say the zebra mussels was the reason, and some people say those little chobies, or what do you call them? Those chubs, they're like that. They're doing something to the lake too. Zebra mussels supposed to clean up the lake? I don't know. That's what they say.
Well, they clean off all the bottom, and
they
that's
clean
the
all
food.
the barnacles, I guess, off the ships, or that's where they come from in the first place, didn't they?
Yeah,
from the ships.
Yeah. I think so. We got to have this system. We got to have this U.S., Canada. There's like 8 states, 2 provinces. Got to get together.
Yeah. And unfortunately, Lake Ontario, they have to face whatever's going up higher than us, which is Lake Erie and Lake Michigan and Lake Superior and all those lakes. Like Lake Erie seems to be pretty clean. I think. You know, I'd go up there and you can eat fish in Lake Erie, like a fish that's 10-pound pickerel. Like here, I don't know if you'd want to eat a 10-pound pickerel out of Lake Ontario. But where is the pollution coming from? Can it be coming from Lake Erie? When they're cleaner than us? So you can't blame Lake Erie if they're cleaner than us, can you? I blame the states.
Yeah.
I blame somebody's dumping stuff in the lake around here, I think.
So it sounds like, I mean, myself included, like we are lacking some basic information about what are we putting into the lake. Like I really like. There's nowhere to go to find out like an honest, accurate, non-partisan kind of thing of like who's doing what. Do you feel like you've got enough information to sort of have confidence?
No, I really don't know who's running the show when it comes to like industries. What industries are dumping things in? I mean, do they have people out there checking these companies out to make sure that they're living by the bylaws? Do we have people that's doing that? We're supposed to, I think, but I don't know. I mean, why is it still murky? Why, you know, it's still polluted. Like Port Dalhousie right now is not polluted, but if you get enough days that it's like after a storm, it's usually polluted after a storm. So it might be polluted today because we had rain last night.